Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Home Fix Mechanics. Many of us assume that storing vegetables in the refrigerator will keep them fresh for a long time. However, in reality, you may have noticed that vegetables often start spoiling within just a few days. Sometimes they rot, develop unpleasant odors, or even freeze. Most people are unsure why this happens and where the actual problem lies. In today's video, we will clearly explain the real reasons behind this issue and help you understand how to prevent it effectively. To begin with, there are several common reasons why vegetables spoil inside a refrigerator. These include incorrect temperature settings, too much or too little moisture in the vegetable compartment, storing vegetables while they are still wet after washing, overloading the refrigerator, which restricts proper air circulation, keeping vegetables in polythene bags or airtight containers that trap gases inside, and allowing a spoiled or rotten vegetable to come in contact with fresh ones. However, behind all these reasons, the most important and most commonly overlooked cause is a faulty thermostat. The thermostat is the control component of the refrigerator that decides the internal temperature and controls when the compressor turns on and off. When the thermostat does not function properly, the refrigerator may become excessively cold, causing vegetables to freeze, turn dark in color, and later release water and spoil once taken out. On the other hand, if the thermostat switches off too early or fails to send the correct signal, the refrigerator does not cool adequately. In such cases, the internal temperature can rise to around 6 to 10 degrees Celsius, a range in which bacteria and fungi multiply rapidly. This leads to black or white spots on vegetables, foul odors, and quick spoilage. In many cases, the thermostat may be partially faulty, causing the cooling to fluctuate repeatedly. This increases moisture levels inside the refrigerator, leads to the formation of water droplets, and results in vegetables stored in the vegetable box spoiling much faster. So if you notice that vegetables in your refrigerator sometimes freeze and sometimes rot, the compressor runs unusually long periods, or adjusting the temperature knob makes no noticeable difference, these are clear signs that the thermostat may be faulty. In such situations, timely inspection or replacement of the thermostat is essential. This will not only help keep your vegetables fresh for a longer period, but will also ensure proper cooling performance and efficient power consumption. We hope this video has helped you clearly understand why vegetables spoil inside the refrigerator and how an often overlooked component like the thermostat can be the real cause. Identifying the issue at the right time can save your food, reduce unnecessary repairs, and improve the overall efficiency of your refrigerator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Home Fix Mechanics for more practical and easy-to-understand technical guidance. If you would like to learn the correct step-by-step process of replacing a refrigerator thermostat, click on the video card displayed on your screen. Don't forget to share this video with others who may be facing the same problem. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.